Hello, bankers. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, I hope I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you. So, we are going to start with unit number 23, importance of wealth management. So, जो भी areas which you can cover, that reading wala part and all, we'll quickly go through, and anything which is related to concept things and all that we are going to discuss. ठीक है? Then, just after the session itself, I'll be sharing PDF आपका, ठीक है? So आप वहां से इसको एक बार रिवाइज भी कर लीजिएगा एंड यू विल बी हैविंग टाइम टिल टुमारो इवनिंग, ठीक है? कल हम लोग फिर से 9 बजे मिलेंगे. कल का सेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है? 9 to 12 विल बी हैविंग वन सेशन अराउंड मॉड्यूल डी एंड मॉड्यूल ई, आपका ई मीन्स एडिशनल रीडिंग मटेरियल, ठीक है? एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड यू मॉक टेस्ट टिल मॉड्यूल सी, वन फुल लेंथ मॉक टेस्ट आपका मॉड्यूल ए बी एंड सी, यूनिट वाइज प्रैक्टिस, एंड यू विल सी there are like few questions which we have practiced during the revision things and all, and few questions I have added in that particular one. So please go through those particular one. They are definitely going to help you out in your upcoming examination. ठीक है? So when it comes to the wealth management, so wealth management आपका basic introduction, ठीक है? Structure, wealth management procedure, services, ठीक है? And wealth management process is important subtopic. ठीक है? Then we have these are the services or these are the products which we generally take while we generally do any sort of wealth management. See, if you talk about the importance of wealth management nowadays, so nowadays we are moving beyond the traditional banking things and all. Okay? Earlier we used to have the core banking things, and customer used to come to our branches and all with the help of digitalization things. Now customer, they can handle everything from their home itself, most of the things, especially this young generation. But now if you have to maintain that, or if you have to be sustainable in the market or competitive in the market, we have to have offer some additional services. So for that sake, we use आपका module C around that customer management thing, CRM and all, and we do the customer profiling, and then we go for the आपका we generally offer plans or the financial plan to the existing customers, ठीक है? So that's why I hope you guys are aware about this particular thing. Recent means आपका 6 month ago, IIBF they have done one tie up with the FPSB, ठीक है? FPSB आपका Financial Standard Board, Financial Planning Standard Board. It is an international body, so they have done tie up with FPSB India for the CFP plan, ठीक है? So there is certified financial planners आपका, ठीक है? So once you have done with your CEIB and you are having 5-year experience with financial institutions and also, you are eligible for that particular one. As of now, we do not have any monetary benefits associated with that particular one, but for sure in like within 6 months or within 1 years, they are definitely going to add on some incentives or some sort of increments linked with that particular one also, okay? So you have to be like, you do not have to miss anything, like first JIB, then CIB, then you'll get that opportunity and you have to go for that particular one also, okay? So certified financial planning is something where we do आपका estate planning, आपका retirement planning, or the overall general planning and all, and which generally suit to our overall banking things and all, ठीक है दोस्तों? तो वो भी आपको हेल्प करने वाला है, and that is definitely going to help you in your upcoming examination, ठीक है? अच्छा, राजेश sir is saying कि there is low volume. Anyone else is facing? Because what I can see on my screen, it is like touching that line and all, ठीक है? अगर कोई आपका ऐसा इशू फेस कर रहा है तो प्लीज डू लेट मी नो. I'll change my mic or I'll try to increase that particular one, ठीक है? So now we will start with the wealth management. So wealth management is something like, let's say if a customer approaching to your branch, it is not only about the basic things, आपका basic banking things, ठीक है? It is based on the customer profiling. We are providing some add-on services. We are trying to help that particular person to meet their financial goals, ठीक है? So the overall income, let's say that person is earning 50 lakh rupees in a annum, ठीक है? पूरे साल भर में उसकी इनकम आपका 50 लाख रुपए है, ठीक है? So how he can make investment and also he can achieve his financial goal आपका, ठीक है? तो किस तरीके से वो अपने फाइनेंशियल गोल्स को आपका अचीव कर सकता है एंड ऑल, दैट इज काइंड ऑफ द थिंग्स, ठीक है? सर मॉड्यूल सी का एमसीक्यू कब होगा? बताओ भैया, कौन है ये आपका? विजय सर को बताओ मॉड्यूल सी का एमसीक्यू कब होगा, ठीक है? जब आप ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हो ना, मतलब बहुत वो लगता है, ठीक है? व्हेन विल बी द मॉड्यूल सी आपका मैराथन सेशन, गाइस बताओ, विजय सर को बताओ, ठीक है? एंड हाउ मेनी पीपल नो व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट मॉड्यूल सी मैराथन सेशन, ठीक है? So wealth management, which generally help assess the client current financial situation, ठीक है, how much he is earning and overall the आपका expenses and everything, ठीक है. So that is the one. Then identify financial goal, what he want to, like let's say children's आपका children's education plan, marriage plan, or आपका buying house और आपका cars and others, these kind of things, ठीक है. Design a customized plan to meet those particular plans, implement financial strategies and monitor result and review the plan. 100% content is aligned with your book itself. So same things, same statements you guys are going to face in your upcoming examination itself. ठीक है. किसी को नहीं पता है मॉड्यूल सी का मैराथन कब होगा, हाउ कम गाइस, ठीक है. समबडी प्लीज हेल्प विजय सर. विजय सर, वी हैव ऑलरेडी रन विद दैट पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है, yesterday only, ठीक है. Yesterday 10 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. 12:30 a.m. in the morning I took that particular session. So please like थोड़ा सा टेलीग्राम पे एक्टिव रहिए और वहां पे मैं इंफॉर्मेशन आपको डालते रहता हूँ. मॉक भी दे दिया मैंने आज मॉर्निंग के अंदर अराउंड 10 o'clock. I've shared the mock for the module C itself, ठीक है. So Vijay sir, that is already done. Please check that particular one, ठीक है. Key areas of when it comes to the आपका wealth management, it include asset allocation management, ठीक है. Focus on balancing risk and generating income by diversifying the across investment categories, ठीक है. So that means like let's say if that person is having monthly 2 lakh or 3 lakh income, so how we are utilizing that particular money, ठीक है, where we are making investment. It is not ऐसा नहीं कि हम सारे का सारा आपका इक्विटीज में डाल दें. इफ समथिंग हैपन बैड विद द इक्विटी मार्केट, सो दे आर गोइंग टू मेक अ ह्यूज लॉसेस, ठीक है. सो उसके गोल में आपका इंपैक्ट आएगा. दूसरा, we cannot deploy entire money in debt funds आपका, though they are safer, but we want some sort of balanced thing so we can achieve the high return in the market itself, ठीक है. So tactical management, use the best strategies and alternatives to achieve the financial goal. Diversified आपका diversification, ठीक है. So basically we use multiple investment products or plans so we can have some sort of diversification in our overall investments and all, ठीक है. Vijay sir, we have already done this particular module. I hope you got this particular message from my side. Please do confirm. Please do watch like yesterday night only we did that particular one. तो अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो उसको जरूर देखिएगा. देन मॉड्यूल डी विल डू टुमारो एट 9 PM, ठीक है. इसका जो प्रैक्टिकल आपका मतलब जो प्रैक्टिसेस आपका केसेस या एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू टुमारो मॉर्निंग, ठीक है, टुमारो इवनिंग आपका 9 PM, ठीक है. सो प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज ऑफर्ड इन वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट एंड इट्स इंपॉर्टेंस, ठीक है. सो व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स वी हैव. Alternatives assets आपका, ठीक है. Alternative assets they generally include like antiques and all, ठीक है. So this is one product आपका. This was a question last year itself which comes under the category of alternative investments or alternative assets आपका, ठीक है. So जहाँ पे जो ऐसे investments आपके होते हैं on antiques है या others, कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, तो इतने generally so then आपका painting है या others हैं, so which can be auction in the future and they have like some sort of value generation in all, ठीक है. So they generally comes under this. Apart from this, we have bonds, fixed deposits, आपका fixed maturity plan, debentures, insurance, mutual funds, systematic investment, portfolio management, real estate, retirement planning, and आपका we have strategic business and we have will writing, ठीक है. So these are the areas. तो ये सारी चीजें जो हम लोग कस्टमर्स को आपका प्रोवाइड कर रहे होते हैं बेस्ड ऑन देयर आपका फाइनेंशियल गोल आफ्टर द रिस्क रिटर्न एनालिसिस एंड ऑल, ठीक है. सो दैट इज जनरली पार्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है. तो ये जो एरियाज आपका जिसको आपको देखना है, ठीक है. सो बेनिफिट ऑफ वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट, बेनिफिट ऑफ वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट. So there will be for sure one question for 1 marks or 2 marks around the benefits or advantages of wealth management, and you'll get these particular statements and all. So you have to be very familiar with the concept of wealth management, and I hope ki maximum will be able to answer this one, ठीक है. So relationship based approach, wealth management builds strong trust based relationship with the clients, offering support like a friend, ठीक है. They simplify complex financial issues and guide clients to make a better investment decision, ठीक है. Creation of financial plan आपका, elimination of financial stress and personalized services आपका. So these are the things which generally comes under this particular one, ठीक है. Raj sir, I have done that particular one. Actually that time that was the level of examination, ठीक है. But this time I am doing some like if you go through the आपका May 2025 exam things and all ना, ठीक है. What experiences we have in last 3 paper with last 3 papers, वो आपका थोड़ा सा अलग एक्सपीरियंस है. तो उस एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ वी आर डूइंग स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड और आपका मोर एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस इन आवर सेशन, ठीक है। तो उस समय तक उससे काम चल जाता था, ठीक है। बट इस बार आपका थोड़ा सा पेपर, एंड देयर आर नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट हु नीड 10 मार्क्स 12 मार्क्स एडिशनल आपका इन केस ऑफ आरबीडब्ल्यूएम, सो वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर वन आल्सो, ठीक है। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दीज रिवीजन सेशन एंड ऑल, दिस इज ऑलरेडी डन बाय दिस मैन दो, ठीक है। चलो, तो मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा कि इस बार के जो यूनिट वाइज हमने जो मॉड्यूल वाइज मैराथन करे हैं, with every marathon I have covered each and every single units or their related questions and all, ठीक है। So mutual funds and alternative assets आपका, ठीक है, when it comes to the alternative asset, because this everyone knows, it refer to non-traditional or tangible investment which can be include like art, antiques, precious metal, ठीक है, fine wine and other physical assets that are not usually included in standard investment one, ठीक है। So there was a half marks question based on this particular one, ठीक है। उन्होंने इसके ऊपर आपका which of the following is not an alternative assets आपका in the wealth management things and all, ठीक है। तो जो यहां से आपका रहा so mutual funds आपका, this we all know, ठीक है। So it is like we generally do the overall आपका when it comes to the process of mutual fund, ठीक है। In next unit, next to next unit even we are going to discuss this particular one in detail, ठीक है। So mutual fund is a collective scheme where basically as a AMC asset management company we pool money from the number of investors and all. Then we have in AMC we have one fund manager, that fund manager who have sound professional knowledge about the market and all, and they invest that money in the market, ठीक है, in securities आपका, equity, debt as per the expertise or as per the market research and analysis, ठीक है। And whatever return we get we generally share with the our investors as per their weightage and all, ठीक है। So mutual funds, this we have already discussed in IE and IFS also. So on the basis of plan we have open-ended mutual fund, close-ended mutual fund and interval, ठीक है। Open-ended means आपका investor can enter and exit, close-ended they have a lock-in period आपका, ठीक है। Interval, so in this particular type of mutual funds it is a kind of a mix of both, ठीक है। So interval is something आपका which is also known as balance, sorry, ठीक है, where we have like after a certain time duration, like let's say you purchase that particular one after 6 months or after a defined time duration you can exit, you do have that an option to exit from that particular one, or new investors they can enter in that particular one, ठीक है दोस्तों। So I hope these are the clear term, ठीक है। तो जैसे equity mutual fund where we maximum we generally make investment in equities. So like while you are doing wealth management for a customer who have high risk profile, ठीक है, एक ऐसे कस्टमर का वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट करो जिसका रिस्क एपेटाइट इज वेरी हाई, ठीक है। लेट्स से अ यंग पर्सन is 25 अर्निंग 50 लाख रुपीज, तो उसकी पूरी लाइफ है एंड ही इज अर्निंग वेरी हैंडसम अमाउंट, ठीक है। सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, अगर वो चाहता है कि लाइक चलो ठीक है विल टेक 80% रिस्क आपका, ठीक है, 20% विल गो विद द सेवर थिंग्स, तो 80% इन्वेस्टमेंट कैन बी डन इन इक्विटीज एंड ऑल, ठीक है। और ऐसे जहां पे हाई रिस्क हाई रिटर्न आपका चलता है, ठीक है, रिस्क एंड रिटर्न प्रोफाइल एवरीबॉडी नोज, ठीक है। देन वी हैव डेट बेस्ड म्यूचुअल फंड इफ अ पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू रिटायर और अबाउट टू रिटायर, ठीक है, तो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर केस we will be requiring these kind of things. Balance is basically where we have some sort of your आपका a combination of equity and debt आपका, ठीक है। So in balanced mutual fund also like we generally use ratios of 60-40 आपका 70-30 and all those kind of things. Definitely Disha ma'am, definitely we are going to have one marathon on this Saturday itself, ठीक है। Saturday 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. onwards we'll be having a marathon of 3 hours or 4 hours where we will be covering all the modules आपका, ठीक है। ये सारे I'll up that particular session by tomorrow itself, ठीक है। तो कल हम उस सेशन को भी आपका लगा देंगे। फर्स्ट we will discuss module D, then one Mahamarathon complete revision of all the 4 modules, ठीक है, with the another different set of questions and all. So we do not want to take any chance आपका जहां पे गड़बड़ हो, ठीक है। तो बढ़िया से आप करेंगे। ELSS आपका इक्विटी लिंक सेविंग स्कीम्स आपका इन्वेस्ट, दे आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द टैक्स सेविंग प्लान्स एंड ऑल अंडर सेक्शन 80C, और आपका विद लॉक इन पीरियड ऑफ 3 years एंड ऑल, ठीक है। ओपन एंडेड एंड क्लोज एंडेड दिस वी हैव डिस्कस अर्लियर आल्सो, ठीक है। तो ये हमने बहुत बार डिस्कस भी किए। देयर आर सम दिस वाज गेट आस्क्ड इन प्रीवियस ईयर अराउंड द सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड स्कीम्स आपका, ठीक है। म्यूचुअल फंड्स दे आस्क अराउंड द सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड म्यूचुअल फंड्स, ठीक है। सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड इज बेसिकली with these kind of mutual fund we are trying to achieve some goal, ठीक है। like this goal can be आपका education, this goal can be retirement, ठीक है। let's say we are in 30s. So let's say we are planning to retire in 45 or 50s. Okay? So now that means we have 30 years. So how much we should invest today? So at the end of 15 years, whatever amount we want, let's say we need आपका 5 करोड़ at the time of retirement. So कितना अभी से हम वहां पे invest करें? What is the expected growth and all? ठीक है. So we can have that 5 crore rupees in our pocket at the time of retirement. So उस तरीके से आपका solution कि that problem is retirement corpus and all, and that we are generally trying to achieve with this particular one. ठीक है. So that is something which is generally part of this particular things. Okay? So solution oriented scheme are mutual funds product designed to help investor achieve specific financial goals such as retirement or children's education or buying house or anything else. Okay? These schemes often come with the lock-in period to promote long-term investment and ensure that the funds remain invested until the goal is met. Example of these schemes include retirement funds, children's investment plan, where the lock-in period help keep the investment intact until the specified goal or target is reached आपका. ठीक है. तो ऐसे टाइप के जो एरियाज हैं they can be asked for this particular one. ठीक है. 9 o'clock. Yes. कल सिर्फ एक हाँ कल दिशा मैम कल हाँ डेफिनेटली विल बिकॉज कल का सेशन विल बी थोड़ा सा बड़ा सेशन होगा. रीजन क्या है? क्योंकि उसमें आपका जो एडिशनल आपका मटेरियल वाला पोर्शन है ना, जैसे आज भी हम लोग टुडे दैट मीन्स यू विल बी हैविंग 24 आवर्स टू रिवाइज दीज पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. ठीक है. और उससे पहले अगर आपने कोई मॉक नहीं लगाया, किसी ने अगर मॉड्यूल सी मिस किया तो वो देखना है आपको. ठीक है. सो आपका क्योंकि जो एडिशनल रीडिंग मटेरियल आपका डाला गया ना, फॉर श्योर यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू फेस अराउंड 10 to 12 मार्क्स. और जिस तरीके से इस बार पेपर बना रहा और दैट इज आपका बहुत ही ज्यादा एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड चीजें वहां पे हैं. ठीक है. वो कैपिटल गेन के क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, आपका वैल्यू लैंड वैल्यूएशन के ऊपर आपको क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे. ठीक है. और आपका जैसे हाउसिंग लोन के अराउंड जो चीजें आपकी प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यूएशन इन ऑल, सो देयर विल बी सो मेनी क्वेश्चन अराउंड दैट पर्टिकुलर वंस. ठीक है. तो उस पर भी हम लोग आपका फोकस करने वाले हैं. तन्मय सर वेरी गुड इवनिंग. चलो आपका सोवेरियन गोल्ड बॉन्ड्स आपका दिस ईयर गवर्नमेंट दे जनरली क्लोज दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है. तो गवर्नमेंट ने एक मूव आपका लिया कि दे आर गोइंग टू क्लोज सोवेरियन गोल्ड बॉन्ड्स. बट अब यहाँ पे ना दिस थिंग्स गेट आस्क्ड सो मेनी टाइम. आपका बहुत बार आपको ये चीज एग्जामिनेशन में पूछी गई है. ठीक है. तो मे बी दिस टाइम आल्सो दे कैन आस्क दीज पर्टिकुलर. जैसे इंटरेस्ट रेट ऑन दीज बॉन्ड इज 2.5% पर एनम फिक्स्ड सेमी पेड सेमी एनुअली. ठीक है. On the amount of the initial investment, the minimum investment is आपका per gram basis पे. ठीक है. 1 gram, while the maximum is आपका 4 kg per individual in a financial year. ठीक है. 4 kg of Hindu undivided families, 20 kg for trust in a financial years and all. ठीक है. So these are the financial year limits for the individuals, आपका HUF and आपका trust and all. ठीक है. So government they generally roll out this particular one, but it was part of the year and all. ठीक है. So please इनको ध्यान रखेंगे. ठीक है. Life insurance. ठीक है. So we have two type of insurance. Insurance is very important part of the wealth management. ठीक है. जब भी हम लोग कस्टमर्स का आपका किसी भी कस्टमर का अगर आप वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट कर रहे होंगे ना, और इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर द पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट, ठीक है, और इफ यू आर एडवाइजिंग समथिंग टू द कस्टमर्स, तो इंश्योरेंस इज मस्ट. बिकॉज सी like let's say it depend on the person also. Let's say in a family there are 5 members. ठीक है. जैसे एक family आपका है. ठीक है. This is a family tree. ठीक है. Let's say there are 4 members in this particular one. This is the only person who is earning. ठीक है. एक ही person है आपका जो earn कर रहा है and these are the dependent. ठीक है. अब ये कहीं ना कहीं let's say the monthly expenses आपका 1 lakh rupees of this particular family, rent, education and everything. ठीक है. तो अब if something happened to this particular person, because they are going to make a huge loss, तो इनके पास इनकी डिपेंडेंसी क्योंकि इसके ऊपर है. सो फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स वी नीड टू गो फॉर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक जैसे आपके होते हैं टर्म प्लान्स होते हैं या फिर आपका लाइफ इंश्योरेंस आपके होते हैं ऑल. ठीक है. सो दैट वी नीड टू एडवाइज इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन. तो एप्लीकेबिलिटी आपका काफी ज्यादा है इनकी वाइल वी डू द फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग इन ऑल. ठीक है. Convertible bonds आपका, I hope everybody knows about the convertible bonds. Convertible bonds basically these are the bonds which can be converted into equity आपका. That means they have some sort of liquidity with them. ठीक है. तो अगर कभी भी like let's say debt securities are fixed income securities where we are getting आपका regular interest with the incomes. Usually it is biannual. ठीक है. हर 6 महीने के अंदर सॉरी नॉट बायएनुअल्स, आपका 6 मंथ के अंदर हमें आपका रिटर्न मिल रहा होता है. ठीक है. सो इफ अ पर्सन फॉर द इमरजेंसी पर्पस इफ दे हैव टू liquidate funds for any sort of emergency and all, ठीक है. So they can keep their funds in आपका convertible bonds. In case of any sort of emergency, they can liquidate them. They can convert into equity, and equity they can sell out in the market. So this, the risk level is bit low in this particular one, and they have a high liquidity. तो इस तरीके से जो इनका application है ना, that can be asked in your examination also, ठीक है. So convertible bonds are that give the bondholders the option to convert the bonds into a predetermined number of shares of the issuing company. This feature allow bondholders to take advantages of potential rise in companies' stock prices, offer the opportunity to capital appreciation, and the most important one is आपका liquidity, which is missing from the slide itself. ठीक है, तो ये जो चीजें हैं आपका जिनको आपको ध्यान रखना है. नेक्स्ट वन, फिक्स रेट गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स एंड आपका जीरो कूपन. ये हमने बहुत बार डिस्कस किए हैं. आई होप एवरीबॉडी नोज अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है, तो फिक्स रेट आपका वेयर वी यूजुअली गवर्नमेंट कम अप विद द आपका जीरो कूपन बॉन्ड्स, ठीक है, एंड दे आर काइंड ऑफ अ फिक्स रेट. ठीक है, तो वहां पे जनरली क्या होता है कि जीरो कूपन इज समथिंग, लेट्स से द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस बॉन्ड इज आपका 1000 रुपीज and the maturity is suppose that 10 years. ठीक है, तो गवर्नमेंट इज आस्किंग यू कि जस्ट आपका जैसे इसको डिस्काउंट पे इशू किया जाएगा एट अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 700 रुपीज. ठीक है, तो आप अभी हमें 700 रुपीज दो, एट द एंड ऑफ आपका 10th ईयर वी विल रीपे यू 1000 आपका. दूसरा फिक्स्ड रेट आपका क्या हो सकता है, जहां पे गवर्नमेंट इज पेइंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन अ रेगुलर इंटरवल. बट व्हेन यू सी द गवर्नमेंट्स आपका जहां पे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इवन द ट्रेजरी बिल्स आल्सो दे इशू ऑन डिस्काउंट इटसेल्फ, राइट. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. ELSS आपका, ELSS इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा इसका लॉक इन पीरियड इन अदर्स एरियाज एंड ऑल. सिंपल है. AMC आपका एसेट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी, दो दीज आर द बेसिकली when you are running a mutual fund आपका, so you have to register themselves as a AMC, asset management company, and you are managing assets of the on the behalf of investors. You are making investment on the behalf of investors आपका. ठीक है, जिनका काम कलेक्शन ऑफ फंड्स आपका, पोलिंग ऑफ मनी और आपका मेकिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट और वो जो अदर सारे एरियाज हैं, दे जनरली कम्स अंडर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है, सो प्लीज क्विकली गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन एंड ट्राई टू आंसर. ठीक है, अभी आंसर करना है सबको आज. ठीक है, so which of the following is statement regarding the wealth management structure and process, and we have to find out the correct statement. ठीक है, so correct statement about the wealth management structures and processes. ठीक है, so what will be your correct answer? A very good evening to everyone, guys, those who are watching live. So first statement, wealth management professionals in large bank usually possess more expertise, equity portfolio structuring and tactical rebalancing than the employed in investment firms. ठीक है, so this is आपका wrong. ठीक है, so investment firms or investment bankers, they have more expertise in the if it comes to the investment areas and all. ठीक है, so statement one itself is wrong. Diversified management primarily focus on maximizing short term gain. No. So if when it comes to the portfolio management or wealth creation and all, our focus or our financial goal are mostly long term in nature, not short term. For high net worth clients, and aggressive equity trading is not part of this one. We use aggressive equity trading, but it is not the core of the wealth management things and all. So this is also wrong. Asset allocation management aim to balance risk by shifting investment across categories while maintaining objective of the generating income. 100% true. Tactical management involves selecting appropriate methods to achieve financial goals by evaluating alternatives and choosing suitable tactics. Again true. A core characteristic of the wealth management process is aligning all aspects of the client financial life, like tax planning, estate planning, retirement planning, into a unified strategy. Again true. ठीक है, so 3, 4 and 5 means आपका option D should be right answer for this particular one. Correct है? Yes, हाँ, very good. Very good evening to everyone, guys. चलो तो थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे बढ़िया से आज का सेशन, एंड विल ट्राई टू मेक अ बेस्ट यूज ऑफ इट, जहां से हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से आपका, बिकॉज मॉड्यूल डी एंड that additional study material which has around 7 to 8 units आपका, so you can expect from this particular one on an average आपका 25 questions, 25 marks question आपका. ठीक है, so तो हमें बहुत अच्छे से इस चीज को आपका प्रिपेयर करना है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द अल्टरनेटिव एसेट्स आपका. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू द अल्टरनेटिव एसेट्स, ठीक है, So these are like beyond the traditional product like antique paintings, आपका fine wines. तो उनका जो हम लोग basically investors or people they generally keep those particular one. ठीक है. So what will be your correct answer? Alternative asset are generally found in the traditional. No, they are not part of the traditional one. Valuing at alternative asset can be challenging due to their unique and आपका unconventional in nature. ठीक है. Example of the alternative assets include collectible like sports cards, आपका rare stamps and all. Yes, हाँ ठीक है. So 2 and 3 means option B will be right answer for this particular one. B should be right answer for this one. ठीक है. So B will be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है. Who is here? Somebody is asking about the Ramaraju H sir is asking about, is there any conceptual class for module D? And we have done yesterday itself. Raju sir, we have done yesterday. So if you'll watch the last Brahmastra session about the RBWM subject, so yesterday only we covered all these the major concepts and fundamentals around your RBWM subject. Okay? So please go through those particular one, and they are must up. I used to update on Telegram, so please be active at least during your examination period and all. Okay? So yes, thank you so much, Neeraj sir. So consider the following statement, different type of government bonds, and identify the true statements. So it is about the government bonds आपका. So government bonds and you have to find out the correct statement. ठीक है, government bonds से related कौन सा correct statement है ये. ठीक है. So fixed rate bonds maintain a constant rate of interest throughout the bond tenures regardless of market fluctuation. 100% true. Floating rate bonds पे ऑफ फिक्स इंटरेस्ट, नो दे आर फ्लोट आपका. ठीक है, दे जनरली चेंज आपका. ठीक है, बेसिकली दिस इज रॉन्ग. सो नेक्स्ट वन आपका sovereign gold bonds allow investor to hold physical gold. No, it is आपका e-gold. This is also incorrect. Inflation index bonds adjust both principal and interest payments according to the inflation indices like CPI is correct. Zero coupon bonds generate return through periodic interest payment. No, these are basically आपका zero coupon bonds. They generally get issued on discount. So this is also wrong. So 1 in 4 means option A should be right answer for this particular question. Correct है दोस्तों. ठीक है. So option A will be correct answer for this particular one. Alright, चलो next one. Which of the following statement about wealth management and related concepts are correct? So we have to find out the correct statement related to wealth management and the entire concept itself, right? So wealth management assists client by managing taxation, saving and advising on assets restructuring. True. Next one आपका will automatically transfer all asset to a legal hire as per the Succession Act. No, it should be mentioned in the will. So this is wrong. Okay. Private wealth management include financial planning for corporate and trust. Private wealth management include financial planning for corporation and trust आपका. ठीक है. So it should be for all आपका individual and all. ठीक है. As we do not have any categorization for this one ना. ठीक है. So it should be आपका for all. Writing a will help prevent family conflict by clear defining asset distribution. 100% true. ठीक है. Will का the core objective is this only. ठीक है, कि जिससे कि बाद में वो लोग लड़ाई ना करें फैमिली वाले. ठीक है. Then we have professional financial planning is just about investing money. No, it is not just about the investing money. It is all about how we can achieve the client's financial goal and all by investing in different portfolios and all. If a person die without a will, the asset are distributed according to the law, which may differ from DC's personal wishes and all. 100% true. 146. 146 means option 6. Option C should be right answer for this particular one. Correct hai? Ramakrishna sir, after a long time I'm seeing you here. What happened? Everything is fine now? You are not joining live classes nowadays. Okay? So I thought like, there are few people who like from few days they are missing. Okay? I don't know what happened with these particular people. So you have to be regular. See, this is the final week. We have done around, this is the 8th session aapka. Okay? So you have to watch the concept summary as well as this. Okay? Today morning I got a message ki sir, now I have only 2 days. Can I score aapka 57 or something was asked? Okay? You can do it, but you have to give some time to the mock test and other areas and all. Okay? Chalo, next one. Consider the following statement about the wealth management assessment and private banking, ठीक है, and we have to find out the correct statement, ठीक है. So wealth management and private banking or private banking CSR, ठीक है. So a personal income statement lists both आपका personal income and personal expenses आपका, ठीक है. So it is 100% true, ठीक है. There is no issue with this one, ठीक है. Wealth managers only provide services to corporate clients, no. ऑल आपका होना चाहिए. प्राइवेट बैंकिंग ऑफर कस्टमाइज फाइनेंशियल सोल्यूशन प्राइमरीली टू हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल, आपका थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज 100% ट्रू. अ पर्सनल ब्रांच बैलेंस शीट इंक्लूड ओनली द एसेट ओन बाय एन इंडिविजुअल एक्सक्लूडिंग लाइबिलिटीज, आपका रॉन्ग. व्हेन इट कम्स टू द बैलेंस शीट इट इज आपका एसेट्स एंड लाइबिलिटीज बोथ. प्राइवेट बैंक्स असाइन डेडिकेटेड रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर to serve affluent clients, true. Wealth management aim to help client to achieve their financial goal by managing investment and financial planning, true. So 1356 means option A only should be right answer for this particular one. 100% true, guys. Next one, benefits of wealth management, okay? So they see this topic is bit easy, okay? Easy to understand and all, okay? But the only challenge what you will face in the examination, you have to go through the statement, ठीक है. देखो PPB का पेपर टफ क्यों लगता है, क्योंकि you have to do lots of reading आपका, ठीक है. जैसे AFM के अंदर भी they went through the conceptual part and all, ठीक है. तो वहां पे वो जो रीडिंग्स वाला पोर्शन है ना, दैट बिकम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट टुक पीपल टू सॉल्व दैट पर्टिकुलर पेपर आपका 1 hour 30 minutes एंड इवन मोर देन दैट ऑल्सो, ठीक है. चलो, बेनिफिट ऑफ wealth management services, ठीक है. So wealth managers are relationship based approach to understand their client need, ठीक है. Wealth management follow a fixed investment plan regardless of management, no, there is no fixed plan, ठीक है. It is linked with the market changes and all, ठीक है. Wealth managers help eliminate financial stress by prioritizing financial decision आपका, we can say that, ठीक है. Every client is assigned a dedicated wealth manager who personalize financial strategies and all, ठीक है. Statement 4 is also in case of wealth management it can be true, ठीक है. Wealth managers focus only on short term gains, no. आपका मेजरली द टारगेट इज आपका लॉन्ग टर्म थिंग्स, ठीक है. फ्लेक्सिबल इन्वेस्टमेंट अप्रोच अलाउ मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेटेजीज बेस्ड ऑन द मार्केट कंडीशन एंड क्लाइंट आउटपुट, ठीक है. सो इनपुट्स आपका 1346 मीन्स ऑप्शन बी शुड बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. करेक्ट है. आज सबसे बनेंगे क्वेश्चन, मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन. अगर आप लोगों ने कल का सेशन देख लिया होगा तो आज बिल्कुल भी चैलेंजेस आप लोगों को नहीं आने वाले, ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. Evaluate the following statement on wealth management carefully and select the correct options code आपका, ठीक है. So the right options or the right statement about the wealth management, ठीक है. So please quickly go through the statements. So wealth management primarily focus on accumulating savings rather than strategic deployment of assets, ठीक है. So first statement is आपका wealth management primarily focus on accumulating savings. No, it is आपका strategic deployment of asset, ठीक है. First statement itself wrong. Second आपका a comprehensive wealth management plan include identifying one's financial strength and address challenges, ठीक है. True. Next one आपका effectiveness of wealth management lies solely in investing in high return, no. We have to go with the strategic things, balance things. Periodic monitoring of financial plan is essential to adopt the changing personal and economic conditions. Wealth management strategies aim not only to grow wealth but also to ensure financial security of one's dependent after the death also, ठीक है. जहां पे we use insurance policies and all. 245, ठीक है. 245 means आपका ऑप्शन ए शुड बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. करेक्ट है.